Consolidating your credit card debt can be one of the most effective ways of accelerating your debt payoff efforts. And if you have good or excellent credit, you have some really good options for companies to go with. We evaluated almost 60 different national lenders to get down to this list of companies. The criteria we used to evaluate them included the following: competitive APRs and fees, positive reputation as a lending company, size of the company and availability across the country, and features for people who are specifically trying to pay down their credit card debt. Okay, so here are the best credit card consolidation loans for people with good to excellent credit. Happy Money is not the lender, but connects you with credit unions. They have really good terms, but that means that they are likely to only be available to people who have really good or high credit scores, maybe well above 650. Its lowest offered APR is actually higher than almost anyone else's, but its highest APR is lower than other brands. They will pay off your credit cards directly for you, and they won't accept cosigners on their loan. SoFi is a great option if you need a sizable amount of money. They are one of the few companies that lend up to $100,000 on this list. They don't have origination fees or even late fees, so the total cost of the loan is wrapped up in that interest rate. They offer discounts to people who use autopay or have a SoFi bank account with direct deposit. They accept cosigners on their loans, and they will pay off your credit cards directly. As a credit union, Penfed has one of the lowest top APRs for debt consolidation loans of any companies on our list. They also do not charge an origination fee. They do have a high $29 late payment fee, though. They do offer the feature of adding a cosigner, which can improve your chances of getting selected, but they don't offer the feature of paying off your credit card debts directly. Unlike many other banks, Citibank will offer their loans to new customers. There is, though, a minor discount to priority customers as well as a discount for paying through autopay. They will directly pay off your credit cards as well. Their maximum loan amount is $30,000, which is one of the lower amounts for the companies on this list. Axos Bank's pretty high minimum loan amount of $7,000 and a minimum credit score of 730 means that this loan is really only for people with excellent credit and a decent income. They have competitive APRs and a low origination fee. They do not pay your credit cards off directly, so it's unclear whether they take into account the fact that your loan won't increase your debt to income ratio. Truist has all the hallmarks of a good personal loan from a bank. My only concern is that they are not terribly transparent before you apply. The details will be included in the loan agreement, though. You may need to talk directly with a loan officer to apply. Truist will pay off your credit cards directly. Everything I said about Truist can also be said of Lightstream, particularly because Truist owns Lightstream. Much of their policies look exactly the same. It is possible that they have different approval models, but I'm not sure. The following companies would also be good because their terms and costs are competitive, but often have restrictions on who can apply, so they may not be as applicable to everyone. Wells Fargo could be a great personal loan option, but only if you are an existing Wells Fargo customer. They only offer personal loans to people who have had open accounts for at least 12 months. Santander has competitive rates and no origination fee, but they also only lend out of their physical locations, which are primarily located in the Northeast. US Bank sets slightly different criteria for existing customers versus non-customers. US Bank customers can borrow more, receive expedited funding, and they have a looser approval criteria. Discover is a good overall option as well. They will not allow you to use the loan to pay off your Discover card, though. They do have a handy mobile app through which you can manage your loan. USAA is a great option from a cost standpoint, but only USAA members can apply, and they won't pay off your credit cards directly. Navy Federal Credit Union is a low-cost option that also includes lower loan amounts. They also offer secured as well as unsecured options, but you guessed it, you have to be a member of Navy Federal to apply. While these are companies you can consider, your best option is the company that will give you the best terms. That's why it's so important to shop around. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to one of our premium lenders. At the same time, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. We will present you with all of the companies that will approve you. You can select the best option for you, and applying will not negatively affect your credit score. The last thought I have for you is that you should always check with your personal bank or credit union. There are many small players out there that will be willing to help existing customers. Still, it's a good idea to always shop around. Just because you've been with a bank for 10 or 20 years, it doesn't mean that they will give you the best rates. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.